Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to remove a person from photo using Canva Easy Canva tutorial. So for us to be able to begin, let's go ahead and add in an image first with a person here so that we could remove it. So as you can see, I have searched here onto the elements in Canva, girl and beach. So we could try to use this one out. Let's click onto that and let's try to resize this to fit the screen. So let's make this one bigger so that it is clear. And once done, what you need to do right after is just to click onto the image and you should be able to find an edit image here onto the upper part corner of the screen. Click onto that, and then right after, here under effects in the Magic Studio, you should be able to find in the Magic Eraser. Now, if you click onto Magic Eraser, you should select the area to erase. You could use a brush or click for that, but for this one, I recommend using the brush so that it would be easier for you to locate the person that you want to remove. So you could adjust also the brush size for that, and then you'll just have to go ahead and draw through it. So it should show a violet or a purple draw mark in there. So let's completely draw that one out. And then once you have already covered the person in there, just click onto erase. So you'll just have to wait while this one loads. And once done, you should be able to find in your photo that has successfully removed already the person onto the beach. And that is just basically it, how you remove a person from photo using Canva. If you think this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.